Samsung has officially confirmed the Galaxy S21 series announcement with invitation to a new Unpacked event bearing the teaser tag "Welcome to Everyday Epic." Along with that, we have leaks about the S Pen that is coming, and the stylus is going to be different than we are used to see in the Note devices. Also, we have leaks for the Galaxy Buds Pro. With that, the live images of smart Samsung tags has been arrived. And lastly, it's going to be the Galaxy M02 as that launch date and teaser has been arrived, and it's going to be on January 7th and making it for the first device from Samsung that is going to be launching at that date. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So Samsung official teaser confirmed the leak about the Samsung official announcement, which is on January 14, and along with that Samsung has sent out some official invites as well. Everyday Epic is the new slogan for the launch event, and it means bringing a device that can transform everyday life into an extraordinary experience. Exactly how Samsung wants to achieve this transformation was not made clear in the invites, and the official promo images provided by the company despite the new Galaxy S21 camera module design hidden inside the opaque cube. The exact meaning will surely be explained on the virtual stage. The reason behind launching of the Galaxy S21 series earlier is also capitalizing on Huawei trouble as much as possible, and that is why Samsung is getting up to announce the S21 series as early. Well, exactly, Galaxy S21 smartphone will likely start official sales a month sooner than its predecessor, claimed sources, which would put the S21 series release date in late January or early February time. With that being said, Samsung is also expected to be unveiling some accessories on the event, and they are going to be Galaxy Buds Pro S Pen, Samsung Smart Tag, and Samsung cases. So talking about the S Pen, it is going to be supported by Galaxy S21 Ultra, and there are many leaks that has been arrived recently, claims that we might not see the same S Pen that we are used to see in the Galaxy Note devices. In fact, the Twitter leakster Max Weinbach has come up with a new claim that the Galaxy S21 Ultra is coming with an S Pen that is pretty much similar to the Tab S7. And if we know that Tab S7, it is not coming with any kind of Bluetooth support inside, so there is going to be a limitation if leak is true in the S Pen for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Probably the functionality of taking the picture using your S Pen might not be included, and even the gesture control are not going to be seen in that S Pen. But on the other hand, the S Pen will have the same latency as the Galaxy Note 20 and Tab S7, and that is going to be 9 milliseconds, so that is going to be a good thing from the S Pen. Also, it is going to be sold separately, means that we have to pay an extra cost if you want to use this S Pen on your device. Along with the S Pen, we have the Galaxy Buds Pro that has also been leaked, and the leaks gives us pretty much good detail what this device is capable of. It will have functions like active noise cancellation, 3D audio to compete with the Apple audio features, and an ambient mode to let you hear conversation going on around you. The Galaxy Buds Pro could also include Dolby Atmos support. And finally, the price of the Galaxy Buds Pro is rumored to be around $199. The Galaxy Smart Tag Bluetooth Object Tracker appears in live images. Looking at those images, you will notice that the device is going to be pretty much small, and it's looking like that the plastic build has been introduced in that, making it a cheaper looking device. So the last information is going to be the Galaxy M02 that goes official with the big display and a big battery. The teaser has been released today, and it's going to be Samsung's first ever device that is going to be coming this year. The Galaxy M02s is going to be a budget level device, and it's going to be expected to come with a 6.5 inch of V-shaped, infinity V-shaped display with HD plus resolution, which is great for watching videos, browsing, and gaming. Also, the teaser confirms 4 gigs of RAM inside the device and 5000 mAh battery capacity. The back of the device is going to be coming with a triple camera setup. It has a vertical shape camera bump on the back side. And lastly, the price of that device is expected to be around $137. So guys, these are some of the latest information about the Samsung devices. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy S21 Ultra, S Pen, and the launch event? Are you excited about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.